guys, we're back to another video. Today I have a mixture unboxing, so let's get to it. If this is what I think it is, I'll be super happy because I ordered this only on Sunday this last week. Well, if it is what I think it is, and yeah. So here's the bubble wrap right there.
Yeah, there's a
And
bubble.
then
Ooh.
it is it.
Woo!
It's gonna be a mystery.
Don't look. Don't look.
That's my sister recording right now.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh my god.
I never saw
move the
him
camera up.
before.
Good.
Oh, I think I only saw him on your. Here, let me see. Oh my god, he just digged in.
You know what unboxings are? You can't show it.
Oh yeah, I'm just looking at it.
Stop. Record. All right. So, 1, 2,
3.
CM
Punk. CM Punk.
So there's the feet.
The hands have an
Shorts.
X on it.
The hands. Everybody knows. And then there's the design of his pants. I like that design personally, but
Yeah.
really I like the pink design.
Where? Oh, the
Then I
star.
like this.
That part is his back.
And
The
then-
weight.
Here's the side,
Oh my god, the back.
the back.
Can we do a video of me
And the other
popping
side.
this?
So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys. When I see you guys, do not forget to be cool.
Peace.